Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Susan's Just Making It. I'm Susan, and I'm here making stuff, messes, chaos, and making it through life. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time watching, welcome to my channel. If you like today's video, don't forget the thumbs up, everybody. It's right down here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's the red subscribe button. And right next to that's a notification bell that will inform you every time I upload a new video. I hope everyone's doing amazing and enjoying the nicer weather we've been having, hopefully where you guys are as well. And today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of a FabFitFun starter box. I am a FabFitFun yearly member, and every season we are able to gift 3 starter boxes, and if they haven't been used, they expire, and then the next season you get 3 more you can gift. So I did have a couple requests. I'm not sure how many were actually redeemed, but my sister decided she would go ahead and try out a starter box, so I gifted one to her, and I asked her if she would mind if I did an unboxing when it got here so I could share with you guys an idea of what comes in a starter box. This is not guaranteeing that if you get a starter box you'll get the same items, but it just gives you a general idea. You do get 4 full-size items in your starter box. The starter box is free, but you have to pay $5 for shipping. They give you 21 days from the time that you request your starter box to either subscribe to FabFitFun. You can either do seasonal, which is $54.99 a season, or you can do annual, which is I think $199.99 for seasonal. And seasonal does have more benefits. You can customize your entire box, and you get customization earlier and extra benefits. Seasonal, you can customize, I believe, 2 items. I'm not sure, 2 or 3 items, and you have your window is later than the annual members to go in and customize your options. Like I said, you can either subscribe or cancel within the 21 days. Both of them are easy to do. Once you go on the website, subscribing is really easy, canceling is really easy. So it's not it's a nice thing to try, in my opinion, for $5. And I know some subscriptions, if you go into cancel, it's this huge drawn out thing. It is not that way with FabFitFun. There is no obligation in any way, shape, or form. I get nothing out of gifting you the free boxes. It's just to pass along the opportunity for you to try FabFitFun. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get into the unboxing. I started with a starter box, and I got 4 items. And I've mentioned before, I did get a rope basket and a Michael Kors card wallet. I can't remember the 2 items. I've been racking my brain trying to remember the other 2 items I originally got, but we're talking a year ago, so it's just not there anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Like I said, if you request a starter box, you may not get the exact items, but it's an idea of what you might get. So it comes in a little bit of a smaller box than the regular FabFitFun box. And with that being said, I have 2 boxes left to gift for the summer season. You can either email me or direct message me on Instagram. Both of those are down in my description box, and I'll be more than happy to send you an invite to a starter box. So let's go ahead and open this. See if I can get the flap down. And we already looked in it. We were curious, I'll admit. I already know what's in here. But first you get your FabFitFun magazine. And I don't even know if you'd call it a magazine. It's more like a leaflet. There's not a lot to it. But when I get these in my boxes, I do go through and read them, because it does have interesting stuff. And it's relatively easy to go through because it's not a huge magazine. So you get that. You got the brown packing paper. The first item, and the box is not closed very well because we had a hard time getting the stuff back in it after we peeked. So the first item was a Pier 1 3 mini ceramic prep bowls. Okay, that was a mouthful for me because I'm just not having, I'm having a day, I guess you'd say. And like I said, we already looked. My sister said that I could keep these because they're more my colors than her colors. So I was like, thank you. So anyway, they are wrapped really well, as you can see, in bubble wrap. And there's 3 of them. So we have a pink and the green, really pretty, and blue. So really nice. These would be perfect, I think, for Easter time. But I like farmhouse, cottagey, vintagey stuff, so it's got a very cottage or Easter vibe to them, I think. So I'm just going to set those aside. And then there's also, this is from Flight Mode Skincare. It's a mask. I'm going to go ahead and put my glasses on so I can read a little bit about it. So it's Flight Mode Skincare. It's a high altitude hydration mask. It says all skin types can use a boost of hydration. Sit back, relax, and get some beauty sleep while Australian wild berry harvest and hyaluronic acid work to hydrate and plump your skin. Our leave-in mask is infused with aloe vera and cucumber extract, so you will wake up feeling soothed and refreshed. The best part, no wash off necessary. Now you're on your direct route to dewy, healthy, moisturized, and hydrated results. And it just says, after cleansing and when you're ready for rest, apply the mask to your face, neck, and back of hands. It will absorb while you relax or sleep. No need to rinse off, just massage into your skin. And I'll have to admit, I've never heard of Flight Mode Skincare before, but it sounds really nice. I mean, let the skincare do the work while you're just sleeping anyway. And I'm not going to take it out because it's shrink wrapped. So, set that aside. And then we have a Delicate Skin Cleansing Gel by MAD Skincare, which I've never heard of this before either. But it says chamomile extract, licorice extract, aloe vera, extra gentle with deep cleansing action, infused with skin calming botanicals. And let's see if this has any other information on it. Gentle, non-drying, deep cleansing infused with chamomile, aloe vera, and licorice extracts. Get your skin calm and clean and ready to look your best. And it says dispense small amount and mix with tepid water. Gently massage in a circular motion until a lather has formed. Rinse with tepid water. Avoid contact with eyes. So, and I didn't mention, but this is, see how big it is. It's 15 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces. So that's a decent size. And these are all full-size items that they include in the starter boxes. And this is 6.75 fluid ounces or 200 milliliters. That's a good size. And this is quite substantial. It's kind of heavy. So I'll go ahead and take this out since it's just in a box. And that's a good size tube of cleanser. I mean, that'll last you a while. So there's that. And then the last item that they included in the starter box, which my sister was excited about this because she's been packing up a lot of stuff, a lot of seasonal stuff for storage, like blankets and out of season clothes. So she was kind of excited about this because she's been, every time we go shopping, she's picking up like the plastic vacuum bags so she can put the blankets in and suck the air out and, you know, get more and less space. So I'm going to take this out of the plastic. And here's how it comes wrapped. It's from Calpac, and there's 3 different sizes: a small, medium, and large size. Now they're not like super huge, but I guess you could probably put a handful of stuff in it. This is the largest one, and it also has a zipper pouch on the back. I think instead of storing, you could probably use these, you know, to take with you, because they do have a handle on them. And of course you can label whatever you put in there. And I like that it's got the mesh here, because sometimes when you store your stuff away, it gets kind of like a musty or yucky smell from being stored. So that's kind of nice because it gets, the air gets to it while being protected. And then it's just got the zipper, which it looks like it goes all the way around from here to here. So it opens all the way up. So I'm not going to open it entirely because I don't need to, basically. Not that these are huge, because here's your bottom. So they're not super deep, but I'm sure you can get, you know, a little bit of stuff. Then here's the medium. And then the smaller one. This would be really nice for travel. And all of, no, it's just, yep, all of them have a handle on them. So I think that's nice if you want to carry them around, or if you stack them, you can pull them off the stack. So really nice. And it's in the summer starter box, nice summer color. So there's the 3 of those. So I don't think that's bad for $5 to take a try. Like I said, there's no obligation. It's just you're covering the shipping, and that's nice for a free box. The 3 storage bags, the full-size cleanser, the full-size sleeping mask, and then the 3-piece ceramic prep bowls. And it was only $5 out of pocket. And I'm not sure if she's going to do the subscription or not. She said she wasn't crazy about. She doesn't like doing subscription stuff that much because of it coming out automatically and with it being seasonal versus monthly. She's like, I don't know if I'll be able to keep track. So I'm thinking she's probably not going to keep it just because she doesn't like having to remember when money's coming out. But like I said, no guarantee that if you get a starter box you're going to get the same items, but it's just an idea of what you might get. I mean, you might luck out and get the same stuff if you happen to like what's in here. It's worth taking a chance. I don't know if all the starter boxes are the same or not, but like I said, if you're interested, go ahead and contact me via my email down here or my Instagram down here, and I'll be more than happy to send you an invite so you can take advantage of getting a starter box. Just keep in mind, because I did run into this problem, somebody did contact me about a starter box, and when I went to invite them, it said they were already a FabFitFun member. So this is new members only. Just keep in mind. And I don't know if that applies if you had the subscription and you canceled and you're going back. I don't know about that, but it said that this person was already a subscriber, so it didn't work for them. But if you want to give it a try, just let me know. I'll send you an invite. I have 2 left. Once they're gone, I will take that out of my description box, and just check below to see if there's any left or not. If you're seeing this video at a later time, I'll update it as they're available. It'll either say 2, 1, or it'll be completely off there. So hope everyone's doing well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Was this a decent starter box? I thought it was really nice myself. Don't forget the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It only takes a quick second to click that like button. And until next time, bye everyone.